Next is Accent on Academics. Dr. Carroll.
All right, thank you, Mr. Pivich. Tonight we have the pleasure of having students from Magruder Elementary School highlighting their after-school club, STEAM, S-T-E-M, developed in partnership with the College of William & Mary. I will now turn the presentation over to Mrs. Lisa Ruffier, Principal of Magruder. Mrs. Ruffier.
Good evening, Mr. Pivich, members of the board, and Dr. Carroll. I'm Lisa Ruffier, proud principal at Magruder Elementary School. And tonight we are pleased to present Rooted in Wonder, Reconnecting with Nature through STEAM, highlighting how school is partnering with the College of William & Mary to provide meaningful, hands-on learning experiences through our Eco Club. Through this partnership, students explore the natural world while engaging in science, engineering, the arts, technology, mathematics, and in ways that are both creative and purposeful. These experiences help students build curiosity, confidence, and a deeper understanding of how learning connects with the world around them. First, I'd like to introduce to you Leilani Flemings. She's a student at Magruder Elementary who will share her insight on how this club experience supports our division's mission and strategic plan priorities.
Good evening. My name is Leilani, and I am in 5th grade at Magruder Elementary School. Being a part of the Eco Club has helped me learn in fun and exciting ways. We work together, share ideas, and learn how to take care of the environment. This shows how collective commitment because we are all helping each other and our community. At our school, we believe every student should feel valued, supported, and challenged. And Eco Club helps us do that by giving us opportunities to learn in new and meaningful ways. The Eco Club also helps us become future-ready graduates because we are learning important skills like problem solving, teamwork, and creativity. For me, this club makes learning feel real. I get to explore nature, ask questions, and think about how I can make a difference in the world.
Good evening. My name is Lori Williams, and I'm proud to represent the College of William & Mary as part of our alumni community supporting this partnership with Magruder Elementary School. Through this collaboration, we work alongside students in the Eco Club to provide hands-on STEAM experiences that connect learning to the natural world. This partnership reflects the powerful impact that colleges and universities can have in enriching K-12 education, bringing expertise, real-world connections, and expanding opportunities directly to students. Each session is designed to spark curiosity, encourage problem-solving, and engage students in meaningful exploration. Students with diverse interests and strengths come together to explore, create, and apply what they are learning in the classrooms through activities such as observing plant life, designing eco-friendly habitats, and analyzing environmental data. A key component of the program is exposure to career pathways. Guest speakers, including alumni, faculty, staff, and students, share how their work connects to environmental science and sustainability, helping students make connections between their learning and future opportunities. Through this partnership, students are not only building critical thinking, collaboration, and creativity, but also gaining confidence as they begin to see what is possible for their future. Next, we invite you to take a closer look at Magruder Elementary School's Eco Club in action. This video demonstrates how our partnership with the College of William & Mary is expanding hands-on learning opportunities, deepening students' connection to the natural world, and inspiring curiosity through meaningful STEM experiences.
The actual team from William & Mary inspired the Eco Club. They approached us last year with a plan a grant and speakers, and it was just an administrator's dream. They were both William and Mary professors, and they were parents in our school.
It was a very wonderful opportunity to extend the resources, the educational resources, beyond the boundary of the college. It is a great encouragement for the kids to learn there is a possibility of higher education, but also to see all our alums who are working in different positions, in different organizations. They can see so many professional careers in this setting.
So what I like most about Eco Club is that we do all these fun activities and we learn about nature, which is probably my favorite part.
I've gone to make a map and it was fun because somebody actually came in who made maps and showed us the different maps.
Our students have just flourished with this club. We see them curious about nature, talking with one another, interested in the different careers.
We went on a field trip to Yorktown, and we went to a park, and we got to pick up seashells, saw fossils. I got to bring the stuff home and I got to talk about it with family.
It makes me feel like there's a way that I can stop pollution and that I can save our resources that are non-renewable.
I feel like this experience helps them to go out, encourage them to play around in the nature, and like we saw in the meetings, they have been asking so many questions. They are very creative. They are so curious at this stage.
There's a lot of activities and it's really cool learning about nature and all these animals that live in the wild and how they go through their life.
It's just fun.
It is now my pleasure to introduce two Magruder Elementary students, Nora Carey and Shriyan Joshi, who will share more about their experiences with our Eco Club.
Good evening. My name is Nora Carey and I'm a fourth grader at Magruder Elementary School. My favorite part of Eco Club is getting to learn outside and explore nature. One of my favorite activities is keeping a nature journal, where I write and draw about what I observe, like plants, animals, and changes in the environment. This helps me think like a scientist by asking questions, making careful observations, and trying new ideas. Eco Club has helped me understand how important nature is and how people can have jobs that help protect the environment. It makes me excited to keep learning and maybe even have a job like that one day. Good evening. My name is Shriyan, and I am in fourth grade at Magruder Elementary. One of my favorite parts of Eco Club is planting seeds and watching them grow. Taking care of the plants and seeing how they change each week has taught me patience and responsibility. By exploring how plants grow and learning about the environment, I understand more about how people can take care of the earth and the jobs that help protect it. Eco Club shows me that even as a kid, I can make a difference, and it makes me excited to keep learning and thinking about how I can help the world in the future.
Thank you for the opportunity to share how Magruder Elementary is helping students reconnect with nature through meaningful STEAM experiences. Our Eco Club reflects the power of partnerships, hands-on learning, and student engagement in preparing future-ready graduates. At this time, we would be happy to answer any questions you may have.
I would say the most exciting thing I've done in the STEM or Eco Club is that we get to go on field trips during the weekend, every couple of months every year, and we get to do fun activities and go have fun.
I'd say there's a lot of fun things about Eco Club, so it's kind of hard to choose. We get to plant plants, watch them grow, take pictures. I think it's really fun. I think my favorite part about Eco Club is learning about nature and how we can help it.
What about the College of William and Mary student?
I would say we just did a lesson this past week about identifying plants, and the kids all got a flip book, and it was really cool. We got to go outside, and they all got to take what we taught them in a lesson and put it into action, so that was really cool to see.
Great, thank you all.
Yeah. I mean, this is great. It really is. The question is, Lisa, when you first started out, you said that it started with a grant and a partnership with William and Mary. Is it going to just keep going?
That is my hope. This is our second year with this club,
Right.
and like I said, William and Mary reached out to us initially and just had this complete proposal, and it was amazing. And so we're in our second year, and it is my extreme hope that we continue this pathway of experiences for our students.
Thank you.
So you guys are doing an amazing job. I got to tell you that. So proud of you. What did you learn, one thing that you can share with all of us that we can do to help our planet, our Earth, our environment?
I think that you can just do simple things, maybe just by recycling, picking up things off of the ground, compost, help plants grow, just simple things, because it can make a big impact in the world.
I'd say to probably, like she said, get compost. Any scraps you have, like banana peels, orange peels, just put them into a box and outside, and they'll grow. But also you can make a garden, and it'll be a lot easier to get food and to find it. So, yeah. I'd say doing specific things like planting trees and just spending time in nature.
Good. So, Tran, you mentioned something that you'll learn to be patient, watching seed grows. Are you still having that patience? You do? That's good. Very good. And one more thing for Nora. You said you like keeping a journal, nature journal. How does that look like?
Well, basically, you can just find stuff outside to write and draw about. Basically, just create your own adventure.
Nice. Thank you.
So I have a question for you. Do you all have a vegetable garden that you keep at the school, like you plant and grow and harvest? Do you have that?
Yes, ma'am.
How's it doing?
It's doing really good, except during winter. It's obviously
Yeah.
not good.
That's always my favorite part when spring comes is planting the seeds and trying to see them grow and then having like a big plant at the end where I actually get vegetables from it. That's really cool. I'm glad that your school is doing that.
Well, thank you very much. Appreciate you guys.
Thank you.